Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily set your own fonts in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, be in simple Wix editor, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to simply click here, edit text. And now you have option to choose the fonts and themes, right? And then you're gonna have the fonts here, and you want to click here, upload fonts, and you just want to like choose a fonts that you got somewhere. Oh, I deleted one, so I can go here and fonts Google. You can just find some font you like, right? Pedana, whatever. Download family. You can also increase the size of it, like see how it works. Show in folder. And when we got it, I will upload font, Pedana, TTF, right? And this is pretty much it how you do it. Oh. So, thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. Done, and choose Pedana. Wow. Goodbye.